the listing of Pi network. Maybe he's talking about, the listing of ecosystem, and that pioneers are going to start, and the price is listed in ecosystem. My dear friends, you need to buy some Pi coins and send it in the ecosystem before anything to block, maybe sending and receiving from the ecosystem can be stopped. And another thing, if you know you have never been connected to the blockchain, maybe you have an account of Pi network and you have never done KYC, it's your good time to buy some Pi network. You're using some ramp like Baxa or any other option that exists in the Pi network app. Then you do KYC so that your Pi network app is going to be connected to the ecosystem, so that anytime you can. This is the only TV where you can get information about cryptocurrency and other related information about NFTs and digital money. So as usual, it's me, the content, and I would like to highlight the market structure and how the market is behaving right now. Mostly, I'm also going to talk about the Trump's tariff. I'm also going to focus on the announcement that we are expecting to receive today. On 14th, because now the time has come. So I'm going to try to go deep dive in it so that we can understand what is really happening on financial market. All right, guys, an agreement came into place between US and China. That was announced by the Secretary of the United States called Mike Rubio. It was announced, and the same thing also the Foreign Affairs of China has always announced the trade deal. And after that they agreed. What happened to the financial market? What happened after that they agreed about that? What happened is that now the 3 trillion were added to the financial market. It's a long way. Since the trade war started, since the tariffs were started imposing tariffs to some of the countries, mostly China, European 25%, depending on which country but every country, I think Donald Trump was ready to impose tariff to that country. But after that, yesterday, that the talks were resumed, and the final end became where United States managed to negotiate with China to what they can do about the trade deal, how they will exchange commodities, barriers, and opportunities that may be there to both nations. And I believe that the politics of Donald Trump is very good, because now it looks for both sides' benefit due to the agreement that they have made. So before the agreement, so the financial market, almost more trillions were removed to the financial market, and that's when the Bitcoin dropped from 106 and came back almost to 92, 93. That's where it was trading. Most of popular coins like Pi went to 0.5, XRP to 1.5, Ethereum 1,300, Sol 98. So that was, everyone was already was seeing that the financial market is not really doing well, and we're expecting something else to happen in this market. But when the trade war happened, when the trade deal was given out, now the financial market resumed almost to 3 trillion that were added to financial market. That's when now Bitcoin came all along from 95 and made almost 106, 105. And mostly coins like Ethereum went to 2,000 and something. Sol went to 107 something. So every Pi went to 1.8, and financial market recovered very well. And we can see that there is a bull run. We can see that the coins are in bull run, and most of traders who follow news have already made money to that extent. So guys, that's what happened, the trade deal that happened between US and China, but it has already and completely affected the market, the financial market, because it has already added 3 trillion in capital to the market. So many people can ask themselves how 3 trillion were added to financial market, which government that supported or has given the money out. But the truth is that that money is not given by any government. It's that after that the announcement of trade deal between the United States and China, so mostly people are ready to buy shares, so they started buying because the society, the people were believing that the financial market is going to come up because the trade war was successful, reached to its end and in a positive way. So that's why many people started putting money on financial market, buying shares, Tesla and the other crypto industries. So they bought them, and that one has boosted every coin. Even our popular coin called Pi Network also came all along from 0.5 and reached it to 1.8. Only that at the end of the market, at the end of when Pi Network reached it to 1.8, only that something else happened, because there is a whale who sold 70 million Pi coins, and that person has pushed the market of Pi Network to push it back to 1.2, 1.3, something like that. As we are talking now, as we are discussing now, Pi Network is trading 1.2. That's all about. I'm just talking about Pi Network about as a crypto, because that's what. So another thing maybe I can talk about, we are, as I'm talking now, it's now on 13, and as we are on 13, we are expecting an announcement of Pi Network. So if we are expecting announcement of Pi Network as it was announced by the core team, even if you open your Pi Network app, you can see that there's an announcement which says that on 14th, the announcement is saying that on 14th, that there will be an ecosystem announcement. Sincerely speaking, we don't know what is inside the announcement, but what we expect is ecosystem listing, and sometimes some prices can be given out so that pioneers will start consuming products from a lot of ecosystem applications that were created. And some of the applications and business have already done KYB, and pioneers are expecting something big, which we don't know, but we also wonder why Pi Network should can announce that they will announce something. So that means that they intend to announce something strong, which might change the way that we have been seeing Pi Network trading on most of XSX and X. And we believe that due to that, to what is happening, we believe that the market may boost, mostly Pi Network market. We don't know what is going to happen, but once the ecosystem is launched very well, we believe that something else is going to happen. So guys, I don't know what I can say, but I believe that Pi Network tomorrow on 14th, we are going to know its future. We are going to know if the future of Pi Network is going to be exchanger, or we are going to know if Pi Network's future is different from exchanger. Yet we already know that the targets and the objectives of Pi Network is not to appear to the exchanger, so that maybe the price of the exchanger can be manipulated by whales. But we believe that Pi Network is a strong project that we mined for the last 6 years, and we believe the ecosystem is going to change the way that we used to hear financial markets. By the way, I'm telling you that we are expecting a meeting tomorrow, which will start tomorrow, and Dr. Nicholas will be among the main speakers. It will happen in one of the universities in Toronto. And we are following the meeting, and we are willing that we shall post everything about the meeting, because we believe this meeting is going to change the way we have been understanding, the way we have been considering Pi Network as is. So guys, what I am just requesting, I'm requesting you guys to stay updated in this way, so that we can know the further steps that is going for Pi Networkers. My advice, by concluding, I'm saying, if you get announcement, an announcement is advertised, is talking about the listing of Pi Network. Maybe is talking about, the listing of ecosystem, and that pioneers are going to start, and the price is listed in ecosystem. My dear friends, you need to buy some Pi coins and send it in the ecosystem before anything to broke, maybe sending and receiving from the ecosystem, can be stopped. And another thing, if you know you have never been connected to the blockchain, maybe you have an account of Pi Network and you have never done KYC, it's your good time to buy some Pi Network. You're using some ramp like Baxa or any other option that exists in the Pi Network app. Then you do KYC so that your Pi Network app is going to be connected to the ecosystem so that anytime you can purchase anything. So guys, so we are just waiting, and we are waiting for the meeting and the announcement, and we are following each step by step so that we can tell you what's going on. We are going to see and have the future of Pi Network tomorrow so that we can start saying everything that we want about the project. So guys, pioneers, you know, we have struggled for the last 6 years. We are not going to miss anything just because of some of the information we missed. So I'm just telling you, if you are on this channel, I'm requesting you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe. Remember to hit the bell so that you will be getting information about cryptocurrency, trades, financial market, and Pi Network as well. The only topic that brought us to this market so that we can talk about it. If you want to run trading, I don't care which country you are. I don't care where you want, as long as you want to run crypto trading. As long as you want to learn how to trade, financial market analysis, how can you know what is happening? You want to make money and with trading. So I am here. I'm Dr. Amsa. I can teach you every step, or you join my online classes, because I have a lot of people that I am teaching crypto trading online, and we do trading together, so we make profit together. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, if you want to run or trade, do crypto trading, I'm here to teach you. Any country where you are, whether you're in the US, Canada, whether you are in Africa, wherever you are, I can teach you online, as long as you can communicate to me in English. As long as you can understand English, I can still teach you both. Okay guys, I'm saying goodbye. I'm just requesting you to subscribe. So stay in touch. We are updating you what is happening up to tomorrow about the announcement and also about the ecosystem. So guys, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Mm-hmm.